that go in the vlog? Are you okay to be on the vlog? Sorry.
Sure.
Sure. I should get people to sign waivers. Yeah. So we're in Cambridge for the weekend. Well, I'm all chilly and out in this. I'm really holding this and it really hurts. Yeah, so we're here for the weekend. I'm not sure, we don't have a plan of action yet. We're just going to go and adventure Cambridge. Very pretty and sunny, a little cold so far. And I was just going to take you guys along with me and show you what we do. See you in a bit. First stop of the day, we have decided on the Cambridge Botanical Gardens. It is £6 to get in for an adult. I didn't actually look how much it was for a child. Less, I'd imagine. So we're on our way in. It does look like it's going to pour down at any moment, but I'm fingers crossed for the best. There's Laura from Beyond 9 to 5. Laura, do you know what I said? I said there's Laura from Beyond 9 to 5. Greenhouse was so nice, just so cute, and there were so many different types of plants, so many different sections, and yeah, we loved it. I was a big fan. Some sort of museum behind us here. I didn't actually read what it was. What is my camera doing? Oh, it's telling me I'm in bright sunlight. I like it. This camera is most intuitive, but yeah, museum of something. Fitzwilliam University of Cambridge Museum. We're not going in, but I thought I'd show you guys anyway.
I want to have a look.
One of the colleges, Pembroke College, I think it says. There we go. so pretty. I don't know if you have to pay to go in or what the deal is, but we are on our way for lunch now. But it says here it's got like group tour thing, but I don't know what the deal is if you want to go in, to be honest. But it looked very, very pretty. And now we're going off for lunch, but we will probably find a college to go and see at some point. I have heard King's is meant to be the prettiest one to see. Been watching Cambridge vlogs. So beautiful. Tofu ramen for lunch. Yeah. Hi guys, so we're in our second stop of the day. It is, well, after lunch. It's King's College, and for £9 you get in for a ticket to King's College and into the chapel as well, and it's open till 4 o'clock on Saturdays, and I think it's only actually open for a few hours on Sundays, so do bear that in mind if you're heading down. By the river, people punting behind. So cute. And there's a really cute bridge over there I want to go walk on. But yeah, this is at the back of King's, so King's and the chapel are behind us. Hi guys, so it's Sunday. We are in Bill's having breakfast. I'm going to go for the veggie breakfast, which, if you didn't know, is called the garden plate, because it took me a while to notice that. And I think I'm going to try a turmeric and coconut latte, so I'm going to let you know how that goes. And yeah, see you in a minute. Bye. Everyone's looking at me like I'm crazy. So I'm going to vlog my reaction to my turmeric latte. Hopefully I like it because it's quite large. It tastes really festive. I like it, I like it. I'm going to drink it, but it does taste too festive for this time of year. Festive? Yeah, taste it. Oh, can you taste it?